They couldn't as famous as me. Tell her hit that group chat and tell him it's right. I didn't come this far just to come this far and not be happy. These days, all I want is one day. God, must sound with us. One day, you lame, must sound with us. Sound with us. He used to call me on a cell phone. And now when you need my love, when you need my love, hey, I know, bling. Oh no, wait. That can only mean one thing. Let's listen to this. Yo, boys, what's good? It's day 31. It's day 31. Let's lock in. Mm. Wait. What the hell is that in my ear? Yeah, yeah. Hey. You gotta lock in. Okay, where is this stuff? Why can't I see this? Hold on. Yeah, I think this is the one. Good. Tushar, my boy, bro. Tushar, you always locked in. Yo, okay, I think we have something. We have something that's going. Nice. So here's the thing, boys. I'm trying to make sure all the admin things are in place. Like for example, this yeah, do a stream, everything is there. Nice. The stream health is perfect. Okay, everything should be good. Everything should be good. You said what, bro? Do you work in a job? Nope, I'm not working a job. I'm in uni, dog. I don't got no job yet. I'm still in uni. I haven't applied. I mean, I've applied to jobs, but I haven't gotten any. So it is what it is, brothers. What's going on with this guy? How about you? Um. mm, oh yeah. So let's go, boys. Yeah. How about you, Tushar? How about you? How about you? Mm, all right. I'm just trying to copy this stuff. Paste this in here. Good. What else do I need? Oh my lord. I think it's fine now, right? Good. So we can lock in now. All right. I think we can. We are. I think we are locked in now. Yup. I think we are locked in now. So We are doing pointers, but I haven't finished something though. I think I have some. Yeah, I have something to do with still with structs, just like the final ideas on structs, interfaces, structs, methods, and interfaces. I'm thinking of doing a job after graduate. How will it be? Really, I do not have a job, so I cannot tell you. But I would say this: if your goal is to get a job, make sure you start prepping for it now. Well, you can still be focusing on college, but yeah, try to. I don't know. You said after undergraduate, so it means you are giving your full time to uni, and then after you graduate, that's when you can think about a job. But that's a bad way to look at it. That's a bad way to look at it. You should prepare for the job right now, so that when you get the job, it's easier. For real, for real, for real, for real. So let's try to get some work done for a sec. Let's have a look at what's going on here. We have methods. I want to finish methods, all of this stuff today. So we are going to create a struct. After the struct, we create a function that uses it's a method actually. It's a method because it takes in a receiver, which is this bit struct, and it has just like B, which is a convention, right? Pick this B so that we can use it later, like B dot title, whatever, rather than saying bit dot this. So we just alias B with bit, right? I mean alias bit with B, and then describe is also an interface. Is it? No, describable is the yeah, describable is the method. I means the interface itself. Hmm. Now this is a little bit confusing, but I'm gonna try to do it. I tried doing something like that, but it was a little bit confusing. So I'm from South Sudan. I'm from South Sudan. Let's go with this first. We create a structure. So I think you can just have beat.go, and then within the beat, we can have something like type beat beat. Oh my god, struct. Oh, yesterday you said you're from India. Okay, let's get title string and BPM bit per minute is. We could use a float, but we can also use an integer. Maybe let's just stick with a float. Plus 64, and then the producer. I don't know if producer should just be let's see, something like this. Okay. Now that we have something that looks like this, how do we use this structure? We need to just create function, and then we go ahead and just use B and say bit. That is now going to turn it into what? It's going to turn it into a method because we have function keyword, and then we have a struct, and then which is going to be a receiver, right? Which will receive the types here. And let's say describe, and then this might have other arguments, but we're going to leave it for now. So here now, we're going to say we want to print something, and we are returning a string, right? So let's just return a string as the return type of our stuff. Now, in order to convert it into this is a method already, but this kind of method is actually it's actually a value receiver. Yeah, a value receiver method. And then we copy this down. This is going to be a pointer receiver method. Now, let's have a look at the 2 pointers that we're going to need. One, we are going to need the set BPM method and also describe method. So let's go ahead and do that. The value receiver is going to look like that, but this one, let's say set BPM. This is return int since we are using Matter of fact, it will return float 64 since we're using float. And I think that is it. Oh, but it's not returning anything. Hold on. What am I doing? This will take arguments actually. It will take, I don't know, what is it taking? New BPM. Okay. Let's say new BPM of tab float 64. So here we're going to return, we're going to return, what are we returning? Is sprint. We'll return a sprint F, and then we shall have the format. This is percent %s, or we can say percent %s by percent %s. Yep, something like this, percent %s. FBI was good, bro. How you doing? No shot today. Today we just chilling. Wait. Oh my goodness. Bro. Oh my god. Let me hope it hasn't disorganized anything. Okay, it hasn't. How you been though? How you been, FBI? How you been? How you been? Guys, please consider liking the stream. Consider, I guess that should be the first thing that you guys do whenever you jump on stream. Let's lock in. All right, let's have a look at. Wait, why is it saying turn into credentials? Okay, let me make sure this is on. Good. Everything is on. Everything is working, my brothers. Very good. Put this here as well. I'm very terrible. How about you? Yo, what? What happened? What happened to you, bruh? What happened? Why is your why you terrible? What's up? Okay, percent X. We're gonna say the beat is something like this. The beat is called something like this. The beat is called, and we have percent S and BPM by maybe produced percent S, percent S. Let's say a beat is called produced by the producer. So I think I can just take this and have it here. Produced by the producer, and the BPM is, and BPM is, okay, something like, I think for the BPM, since it's float, we're going to have with the float. Now, this is the part I wanted to show you guys. We have here B dot, we need to start with the title, and then I think we can have this like this. Actually, let's just go back and have this like this title. Nice. So we can have something like this. Title, we have B dot producer, and then B dot BPM, and we'll close this off just like that. So we can remove this by, let's see, this, okay. Okay, this is now a comment, right? Describe a value receiver method. Copy this, and this is going to describe our pointer. 6. Yo, I've seen you in chess, man. You've been losing like crazy. So depressing. The hard work, 7 days. Did I complete lead code? Not really, man. I haven't. I haven't. How do you complete lit code? What do you mean by that? Describe a point. This is going to be a pointer method. So we can see here. A pointer receiver method. Nice. How do you complete lit code? Solving all the problems? Ah, no, no. It's not even realistic to solve all the problems. So now, this is a pointer. Since this is a pointer receiver method, we need to add pointer. And now, this is going to throw an error because Go doesn't allow us to have one side to be a pointer receiver and the other is a value receiver. So for just for understanding sake, a value receiver doesn't have a pointer to this instant, I mean to our structure. So it means that whatever's inside this structure bit, this will not affect or will not modify the internal structure, right? But this will obviously this is just like a reference. I don't know if this is a reference, but something like that. And then this is actually what will interact with our internal internal structure. But now for Go, for it not to throw this warning, it's always safe to like have a pointer inside a value receiver method anyways. No, 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 no. Lead code, I did a few problems. Let me show you. Let me show you my lead code. I've solved a few problems on lead code. Not really a lot, but yeah, a few. Can I have a good idea? I don't think anyone in this in this YouTube stuff will help you. People are gatekeepers here, bro. People don't share ideas at all. But yeah, you can join our Discord. Maybe you'll find FBI to help you. I've solved only 25 problems my entire life. Only 25 problems, bro. I'm not planning to solve crazy number of problems. All right, so here we are going to return. We're going to say bpm dot what b dot bpm, and this is called a new bpm. I think that's it. This is now going to fail because there's not any main function. Yeah, let me see your lit code, FBI. Let me see your lit code. Yo, bro, I cannot. I don't know why I'm just feeling like a little bit dizzy. Yeah, I'm a little bit dizzy, bro. Let me just play one game of chess. I'm so dizzy, so I want to lock in. I like the 10 minutes game, bro. Username is Edward Asaf. Okay, I'll check it out. I'll check it out. I'll check it out. Oh god, I'm in 8:30, bro. Let's go with our favorite opening. Okay. All right. This guy knows the D4 opening, dog. Like that's the problem. So he knows what was going to what was going to be coming next. Yeah, this guy knows his thing, dog. This guy's cooking. This guy's cooking. I'm not gonna lie. Hey. Oh, he's trying to do the same thing on me, but on the queen side. Wow. 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 The same thing, but on the queen side. It's actually tough. It's my first time seeing someone trying to do that. Okay, whatever. If you take, I'm just gonna take back. So I'm not worried about that take. But that was actually tough. All right, now we have like control over the center. He's attacking this pawn. I could defend this pawn, but let's just try to kick him away from here. Just chase him away. All right, this guy is just mad annoying at this point. Let me do the same thing on him. Hold on. The next thing is gonna be what? Nothing here, right? Yeah, so I'm not really worried. Now I'm gonna try to do the same thing on him. Yeah, bro. I'm gonna try to do the same thing on him. Let's see how he's gonna defend it now. Cause he was so annoying. He was so annoying. Now this might even lead to checkmate, bruh. It might lead to checkmate if I'm not mistaken. He's boy saw it. He's like, nah, I'm not gonna fall for that. So that being said, uh all right, that being said, I think let me take him with check. All right. Uh Now I'm gonna play this. I think I think we both cooking. I feel like we're both cooking. Oh, the guy wants to have a discover check. Oh Lord. I was waiting for this move. I was waiting for this move. This is lost. Yeah, this guy is lost. He's not gonna have any discover check anytime soon. And I'm gonna cook him. Yeah. He saw what was coming and he's like, nah, I don't want to have any of that. I can have like, hold on, bro. Yeah, let me just break my. Nice. Nice. Let's go. Pressure. Pressure on the pin piece. Let's go. Pin piece pressure. Let's go. Somebody saying, so you're playing chess on the Sun engine and interesting. Yeah. For real, for real, for real. Ma, I need to take the knight, but he has some annoying bishop there. You feel me? So if I take this knight, hold on, what the hell did he just play? Oh my, I should have taken the knight. But anyways, shouldn't if I put here, what's gonna happen? Nothing, right? Okay, that discovered check is not it's not really a big threat, bro. Let's see. Has it changed anything? I doubt. Oh Lord, this guy. I'm gonna pressure him now. Let's see. Oh, he wants to have a discover check and take my queen. Why did I accept that? Oh, what the hell is this person just landing discover checks, bro? Ah, just resign, bro. This is annoying, bro. What the hell is this kind of game, bro? How am I just starting a goddamn game when it's annoying me already? Like, goddamn, bro. I'm trying to rematch him and see. Let me try to rematch him, bro. Is he gonna accept? Bro, London system, bro. Hold on, bro. He doesn't want to play me again. It's fine. I really just don't care about it. This guy is mad annoying. Yo, what's good, Bando? What's popping? All right, I think for the black we're gonna go with Pyok defense. Let's just go with Pyok defense, bro. I'm so annoyed, man. Yo, boys, I'm trying to get to like 900 at least. I'm trying to get to 900 at least. What's good, man? How you doing, bro? How are y'all doing, boys? Hey, consider liking the stream, bro. You feel me? If you guys join the stream, just like the stream ASAP. Alright. I don't know why I just keep losing to some guys that are just annoying. Hold on. Okay. If he pushes this pawn, I'm just gonna attack now, but this bishop is not here, so it's not gonna that sacrifice won't help me, bro. If anyone new here, feel welcome and join our Discord server for real. Oh yes. No. This is not gonna help. If I take here, it's gonna just stack, right? So let me push here and see. Oh my god, boys. Uh, 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 uh. Okay, I really don't know what the hell is gonna happen if I. All right, I don't want to lose this though, which is yeah. I'm not planning to lose any more material. I might, yo, I'm down a pawn, which is crazy. But now I think I can take this pawn for free, right? Oh, bish. Okay, so let me first begin by taking this and doubling up his pawns. Nice. Nice. And then I can take this. So I think we are up material. That we want a piece, right? Very good. Somebody say, can you open my website? I made a beautiful stuff, please. Yeah, not now though. Not now, my brother, for sure. Not now, definitely. But I will open it for sure. I will check it out. Oh my god, we're cooking. The night is cooking. The night is cooking. The night is cooking. I think we're gonna win this game. Let's not be too excited though, but yeah. I can see we might win here. Yo, what? What's really going on? What is he looking at? I need to look at what the opponent is really trying to achieve. Nothing. He wanted to take over that, but yes, well defended. Let me get my knight away. Yeah, it's not hanging. It's not hanging now. It was before though. Like Kia and KID. What's that? Yeah. Hey man, let my boy FBI tell you for sure. That's our mod. That's our mod. Oh, King's Indian defense. King's Indian attack. Okay. Hold on. What should I expect here? He's trying to push pawns, but let me try to attack here. Let's see. And just stop this. So now I have like tempo on the queen, but oh my god, I could pin the queen though. I could always have pinned the queen, right? On the way to 1000 elo. Yeah, I'm trying to get to 1000 as well, dog. Like I think he plays without focusing on specific opening. Yeah. FBI, bro. What's up? Why you trying to diss me, man? Calm down, FBI. You didn't have to do me like that. Yo, somebody lost the queen. Let's go. I know he's gonna let me try to tease him. Let me go to the chat. Let me say, boy, boy, you just hang the queen. Let me see. Let me tell him, bro. Just resign, bro. Let me bully him. We need a quick game, bro. We need a quick game. We need a quick game, right? Dude should just he should just quit, dog. But just resign. He hasn't checked my chat yet, so I think I should just take the queen, right? The guy forgot how the knights move. Let's see. Yeah, I'm blind. So should we take his queen or leave it? Should we leave the queen? I personally play Caracan for black and London for white. It got me to 300, 1300. Although today I'm back down to 27, 7. I mean 20, 1270. Caracan. Yeah, man. I just don't. Caracan has the alien gambit, which is annoying, right? The alien gambit is just annoying, bro. The alien gambit is just so annoying. I know how to play it though. I know how to play it. Okay, he decided to. I think he's accepted his fate, right? So that being said, I think I should now look for ways to checkmate this. I'm just gonna pin this knight first and look for ways to checkmate the king now. Alien gambit, my legacy. You guys like that kid, right? That guy that makes noise punching his body and he does too much, bro. Reti's opening? Let's play it out. Yeah, no point. Resign is the name, boys. Resign is the name. It's called King's Fianchetto. Let's do this. Let's do this, boys. Right? Let's do this. So what we're gonna do, right? I know you guys usually like to come on stream for mostly chess. I respect that, you know. And I'm also chess, like I like playing chess, you know. But at the same time, we like to get some work done. But now we're gonna change it a little bit today. So what we're gonna do is that the first part of the stream is gonna be chess. The second part now will be coding. So I think that will be good with like for all of us. You feel me, boys? Yeah. I understand not everyone though, but yeah. I think let's just switch it over. Since we started playing chess, let's just switch it over. Let's try to get to like 900 at least. You feel me? Now this is good for Karokan. Let's try Karokan. Let's try my boy's Karokan. His favorite opening. I think he's gonna take, right? Exchange variation. Or if he plays, oh, he didn't do none of that. So I'm thinking I don't wanna play here and just lock in my bishop, but I'm just gonna develop the knight. He might push now though. He might push to just chase my knight away and it's annoying. Okay, he actually took. So I'm just gonna take with the knight. Or maybe take, I think taking with the knight is better, right? Taking with the knight is better so that we can have this pawn structure, or I mean pawn chain. Or maybe just, yeah, taking with the knight is better, I guess. Always do exchange variation if you, let's see. For real. So no, with the pawn, because I don't want to move this piece twice, right? Makes sense. So okay. Now that he's okay, he's actually now targeting my this, but it's protected. But the knight, I mean the pawn here won't be protected. So let me first develop this knight to protect here, so I can just push this pawn and also develop the bishop. So I think we have like a good. What is he playing really? I don't know. Is he trying to hop in here? But what should I do? I don't want him to hop here, right? What is he gonna, what threats are gonna be here? Nothing. Take the light squared bishop out before you block it. I'm planning to just push this to take the center, really. I'm planning to take the center. This guy is, I think, gonna hop in somewhere here, which is mad annoying, right? Okay, he didn't do any of that. So I think I'm just gonna develop this. And if he can't, obviously the knight might disturb us, but it's okay. I think now I have a good position. I feel like I have a good position. Can he hop in here with check? I can take with the king, right? What else can he take? He can take here. As well as I think everything is good. Yeah, thanks to the caro. Okay, I'll take that. I'll take that. Really, this knight is not really a threat to me here at the moment. Yeah, but it's not a threat right now, so I'm not worried about it. I'm not really worried right now. Everything is protected. I have a nice development. Look at how much time he wasted. The knight, I think the knight was all the way here. The knight went here. I mean, the knight from here came here and came here. Now this pawn is protected though. I don't know what bro's playing. Okay, I think I could push this, and if it removes the queen, I take here, and then I can now. Yeah, I think I have a nice position. What do you guys think? I could kick the knight out. What do you think about this? Okay, let me just kick the knight out like you say, my boy. I'll kick the knight. Let's see. I really don't think the knight is a threat right now. But the knight could just come in and take, right? And then I could take and all of that. So the knight has moved again, which is just crazy. I shouldn't open the bishop's side. But at the same time, I want to develop my pieces though, right? So I think, I don't know, bro. I want to finish my development. But he has this annoying pawn. I could have just gone here to like get some tempo on the queen. But it's fine. Let me just develop my rook. Put the rook. Oh, this could be a nice discover check. Oh, he castled actually. That's sad, but it's okay. Should we? Let me go here with this one. Now we're gonna launch an attack, man. Yeah, yeah. I told you attacking the queen was the best way to go because we shall get yeah, we could trap the knight with the next move, right? Nice. I think the knight is now trapped. Yeah, the knight is cooked. Knight is cooked. Knight is toast. Knight wasn't trapped anyways. What the hell? Okay, boys. Here's the thing. Can we get a tempo on the queen? Or maybe just continue pushing these pawns? Attacking the queen is like, it looks nice to me. I mean, if it goes away, then yeah, I think attacking the queen is nice. We gain a tempo and we take here. Nice. Oh, he actually took it, which is crazy. Oh, boys. Whoa. What? Hello. Yo. No. I'm actually going to take with the rook instead. I'm going to take with the rook. And then I'm going to attack his rook. I'm going to take with the rook, boys. Bro, here's the reason why I'm saying I don't want to take with the knight, right? If I take with the knight to threaten which threaten a fork, if I go here, here's the thing. I don't want to open this diagonal. Like, look at what's happening. He might suck this bishop and just expose my king entirely, and I'm just gonna be cooked. You get so let me take with the I think taking with the rook is much better to me. I'm gonna take with the rook. I don't wanna risk that. I'll show you I have a very nice. You see what he's playing? This guy is really cooking, I'm not gonna lie. Yo, and that was better. But I mean, this is protected, right? I'm not really worried about losing that. He still has bishop suck though. He still has bishop suck, man. Like, oh god. Yeah. We're gonna be in trouble. So much trouble. Oh my god, bro. What? All right, I think going with this idea is now the best. Going, he might just take my bishop. I take his bishop, he takes my rook, and I'm in trouble. So let me just save the rook, bro. Let me just save the rook. What is gonna be tough? I don't understand. I'm trying to reposition. Hold on, let's see what is gonna play now. I really have a nice plan. Trust me. I have a nice plan. Okay. Boys just he's thinking like, oh my god, this guy is gonna take here. I'm not. Let me try to fork him. Yeah, should I try to fork him? I think I should. Yeah, I'm gonna try to fork him. He'll take this pawn with the rook, isn't it? Yeah, that's why. Let me just try to threaten this. Let me try to threaten this. This is like mad annoying. Yeah. This is the one that is annoying. Oh my god, my position is so terrible, bro. Oh, oh my god. I think we don't have a good position. Wait a minute. Hold on. Yeah, I feel like we have a good position now. Let me first play here. Yeah, let me first go here. Let us go here. Him taking with the rook won't really do anything. It won't do much. Yes. No, I'm going to move my queen in the next move. I'm going to go here with my queen. All right? Nice. So, let me also just push here now and protect this. So if it takes, I take two and we are good. I feel like I'm playing a good game here. But I don't have time, dog. So I don't want to overthink now. I need to get this. I need to get this knight in the game. Yeah. Then I don't mind trading for real. Three attackers, two defenders. Hold on. One, two. One, two. Defenders. Three attackers, two defenders. Crazy. Yeah, that's crazy, bro. I need to get this. I really don't know, man. I don't know what to do now. Shit. All right, he took it. You know what? I'm not gonna take. Yeah, I'm gonna try to kick this first away. Yeah. Oh, I see what he was playing. I really see what he was playing. He wants to take here with check so that he can take my queen. But this was a nice play. This was a very nice game. Yeah, but I prevented it. I prevented it. His upper pawn, not bad. I prevented it. I'm just gonna move this away the next minute. If he does this and he takes my queen, I'm just gonna take his queen. Nice. Oh Lord, I need to play faster, man. Hmm. How do I counter this, man? I feel like I'm really in a very bad position and I don't know. Okay, he's a weirdo. He still went for it though. But hold on. Oh my god, this guy still has some crazy game. Oh Lord, I think I'm gonna lose. I think I'm gonna lose, boys. Let me take here and apply some pressure on this. Oh no. Take the bishop with the rook. Oh no. Oh my god. Let me hold on. Hold on. Can I take with this? No. Let me take with this. Let me take with this instead. Let me take the queen here as well. Nice game. Nice game. He's gonna try to protect his rook. Oh my god, we're up a pawn. Nice game. Nice game. We played, boys. We played. Holy shit. We played, bro. We played, dog. We played. I'm not gonna lie. Ooh, we played. That was nice. Okay. Actually, I'm not worried. I think I'm winning another pawn here. I'll take the pawn any day, dog. I'll take. I'm even thinking about taking this pawn next. I'm thinking about taking this pawn next. I'll probably take with the bishop, and then swing this rook in the game. Now we are cooking. We are cooking, boys. Bishop sees the rook. Which one? Which bishop sees the rook? What are you talking about? Which rook? Oh, hold on. Okay, he saw it. He saw it. He saw it. But you know what? I'm gonna take here. I'm gonna take. This is a free pawn, I guess. If he takes it, I take his. Yeah, we are cooking. We are cooking. We are really cooking. Oh my god. We are cooking. We are cooking. We are frying this guy. How's it? Hey, where's Frame Boost, man? I'm seeing Frame Boost like on Discord. He was talking about his hiring or what? I don't know, but something like that. All right, I think it's safe to now get my bishop out of the way, or maybe just okay. I can fuck this here though, but like, why didn't he take the bishop with the rook? Can't you see my rook here? All right, bro. I don't know what to play now. I don't know what to play, bro. Bro, I don't have time. Oh Lord, I don't have time, bro. Where is he gonna go? I'm gonna take, right? Should I take? I think I'm just gonna take. I'm ahead in material. I'm gonna trade. And I'll swing this with tempo in the game. Nice. He has to go back in the corner. Nice. We apply pressure to this rook. Oh my god, we are cooking. We are really cooking, bro. Hold on, we are cooking. We are cooking. Ooh! We are cooking, boys. Let's go. Somebody's gonna lose. But let me play fast though. Yes! Oh my god, that was a well-deserved win, bruh. That was a well-deserved win. I don't care. I'm gonna create the engine. I'm gonna create the engine. It was a crazy match. Yeah. I'm creating a chess engine. Hold on. What's this guy talking about? It was a crazy match with Bishop? Which one? You mean which one? Bishop check. Where was Bishop check? Where was Bishop check before? Which Bishop check? Oh, this was made. This was made. This was made. This was made, dog. Right? This was made. Oh shit! I didn't think about it. Can't go here. Far higher. This is made. But it's still though, he lost his rook and his resign because here was also still gonna be made though. Just coming here with check because there's nothing else he could have played to stop the mate. Oh, knight could block it. Yeah, knight could actually block it. But still, I could take the knight and it's still mate because where can he go? He can go down. I'll probably take with this. I'll probably take with this. Oh, hold on, hold on. Whoa, Jesus. I meant here. Yeah, this. And what did he play next? Okay, that was it. Here was check. He could block with this knight. And This is not gonna be anything significant. Maybe I could check again here. He would go here, right? And then I don't know. I don't know how to continue from here. I think it's not mated. Maybe apply pressure here, then he would take this, and then this is gonna be mate. No, he could come here, right? Nah, bro, there's nothing that's made here. This, 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 and I'm losing. Nah, nah, nah. I'm losing, bro. I was losing anyways. But thank God he resigned. He resigned. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, friend boost, what are you talking about, bro? What are you talking about? I'm confused. What are you talking about? Boys, consider joining the Discord. Consider liking the stream if you're liking what you're seeing, if you're enjoying. So here's how we do our streams, right? We we usually start with like how much is completed? Zero, literally zero. And the thing is, the reason being, we are still in the learning phase. I have no idea in Go completely. I know Java, I know JavaScript, I know a bunch of other languages. But I took it upon myself as a challenge to say, hey, can I learn a new language and build something productive with it? And the first thing that came out of my mind or came to my mind was chess, because I play chess. So yeah, why can't I just build a chess engine that I can use and with a language that I completely don't know. So that's what led up to all of this. And it's not the titles are really a little bit misleading. If you read this, it is not 31 days of coding in Go, right? Don't get it twisted. It's like 3 days or 4 days. I think this is like the fourth day of coding in Go. So I would say, I don't know why this stuff is like all the way here. This is just annoying. Let me just refresh this. So it's been 4 or 5 days or 3 days, something like that, learning Go. We just changed the challenge. Before it was like grinding with like coding and all of that. But I had to just make the titles more aligned with what we are doing. So I think that's it, if you may. Can you describe the projects? Okay, this is the first project that I have that is live. It's a URL shortener for anybody really to shorten any URL. Like for example, if you come here to YouTube, we take this URL and just come to one of the application here. I mean the URL shortener, and we just shorten this. As you can see, we are using like some crazy technology. This is I'll show you why it's a crazy technology. But yeah, we have now a shortened link. And if you just press this link in here and just press it, we're gonna get redirected to the exact stream, which is this live stream, right? And yeah, if you compare like our link to YouTube's link, our link is too short compared to YouTube's link, right? Which is nice. So it just does one thing, which is redirecting users. That's all. Literally, the main point is redirecting people. And it's a SaaS application. You can integrate it with your own application as well with like different API keys. You can come here and just log in and create an API key and just integrate it with your platform as well, and you can upgrade to premium. I think API key integration is only associated with the premium users. It's about $10. If you have the money, just go for it. You can get the premium license. And yeah, do you work in some huge company? Not really, bro. I don't work anywhere. I'm still a student. I'm in my third year in uni. Yeah, so that is literally it for this URL shortener. And then another application, another SaaS application, it's a beat selling platform for music producers to sell their beats. If you're a music producer, you make beats and you want to sell it, you can always sell it on my platform. You can always log in and check other stuff. The pricing is also quite cheap. There's $10 a month and $20 a month as well. And there's yearly subscription and all of this. So that's basically it. If you know, you know. So that's all for the apps that are live. But now we've completely moved away from consumer apps. I think even the game engine that we're planning to build is also going to be a consumer app. But at the moment, we are only trying to make sure that, hey, we want to build something that we can use ourselves, right? Obviously, other applications like the two, we could use them too, but I want something that we can use like in our daily gaming. Like, we normally play chess, so that's it. Thank you, man. Thank you, but yeah, we support each other on Discord. Yeah, yeah, for sure, man. Hey, man, consider joining the Discord if you enjoy like what we do on here, and that's basically it. So the first part of the streams is usually coding, but today we just switched the position. So we are just playing chess now, and then after chess, after like the first part of the stream, we can jump to now the coding part of things. But yeah, so I think you get a point. Um, I just play another game. At least we try to get to like maybe 850. That should do it. 850 is enough. And then maybe get 50 again. If we can, then get to 900. Yeah, my boy, let's go with your Karokan. I think Karokan is the one that helped us the previous game. This might be exchange variation or maybe advanced variation. Okay, he didn't really do anything. So this is a two nice attack. I'm just gonna go here with my knight and just get this pawn out as well. Now let's see what my opponent is gonna play. Let's see what he's gonna play next. I don't want to over waste time. I usually just okay now that he's defended. I don't want to move I don't want to move the knight again. I mean, the bishop again, because the knight might hop in here and just be problematic. So I'm just gonna take, bro. Let him take, and then I just get time to move my pawn. And I think that is that, boys. What strength will the engine have? I feel like the engine will have my elo, right? Because I'm the one training the engine. The engine will probably be my elo. I don't know if that's how it works, but I'm thinking about like getting my engine to at least be as smart as possible. I don't know why I was supposed to put the bishop here. That was very terrible of me, boys. I really apologize for this. This was a mouse click issue. I wanted to put the bishop here, and it is what it is. So, so oh my god, let's see. I thought 3,500 elo. Nah, maybe my nah lord. You can make the engine way better than yourself. Okay, I'll see. Don't trade off your dark squared bishop. It is a stronger one. Yeah, yeah, for sure, for sure. I want, especially when you're playing with black pieces. Very true, actually. Now I've castled, I think it's time to like start attacking or doing some stuff. So I'm just gonna push this pawn and try to I mean get some tempo. Oh, I have okay. I for once I thought I had yeah, this is gonna be a pawn fork, right? I thought I had a fork for a second, but I realized it's not. Yeah, why are you guys speaking in what? Is that Hindi? Why are you guys using that? And I'm just gonna go here with the knight. I don't know what he's thinking, but the center is just I have a solid center, dog. Like this center is tough. Oh, he's your friend. But yeah, consider using English, bro, so we can all understand. Perhaps you trying to like diss me. You feel me? You may be trying to insult me, and I don't want you to do that. Okay, we now have some good game. I think it's time to just break the center and maybe just get some. I don't know. Is this a good idea to push this pawn really? I think it is because then I develop some tempo on the bishop, right? So I'm just gonna push that pawn anyways. Let's see if he takes it. If he doesn't take it, it's cool. I still have control over the center. I'm still gonna push again, and maybe I don't know. This is not gonna trap the bishop. Should I push the pawn or just? I thought you're making an engine live. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'll make it live. Obviously, it's gonna be live, boy. It's gonna be live. But we at the moment we're playing. And one thing I know for sure is that you cannot make an engine if you don't know like how it works, right? It's almost like you trying to make a Lamborghini engine and you just don't know how to drive Lamborghini. It doesn't make sense. On live stream, yeah, yeah, for sure. It's just a breakdown for chess. Facts. So I'm gonna have to push his pawn. Let me just push and gain some tempo on his bishop. If it takes, I take back. If it takes the knight, I take the knight. That's a free knight. But I think he's not gonna push anymore. So yeah, now look at how many times he moved this bishop, bro. This is just crazy. This is actually crazy. The amount of times he has moved the bishop is just alarming. So now I'm just gonna push again this pawn. I think we are outplaying our opponent here. So I like this. I like this. All right. You know what? Now that he's going there with his knight, what is he threatening? He's threatening here. Also, I think he's threatening to jump here and apply some like unnecessary pressure here, which is annoying, right? So I don't know what I'm gonna do now. I have no idea. Maybe push these pawns and just continue pushing these pawns and just attacking him with a pawn storm, or maybe put something here to prevent. What's your elo, FBI? FBI is so good at a game. Like FBI is not the guy you should ask about his elo. FBI is so good at this game. I promise you. FBI is so good. Okay, I'm just gonna go here just because I want to push this pawn. I don't care about the knight hopping in here. It's not really gonna threaten. I knew the knight was just planning to jump on here, and then next is gonna try to push here and take here and expose my, I don't know. So this knight is gonna be mad annoying, right? Should I worry about this knight being here, or I should just kick the knight? I think kicking the knight is a better idea. Yeah, kicking this knight is a better idea, dog. Kicking this knight is gonna get some tempo on my. Okay, he took my bishop with the knight because the knight was trapped, but this is cool. Oh, he has a bishop pair, which is, yeah, this is like, oh my god, I didn't want this to happen. Oh, this guy is now getting tempo, left, right, center. Jeez, but thank God this knight is protecting this knight. All right, tempo on my queen. God, this guy is playing, bro. This guy is cooking. Just gonna go here and protect this knight as well. But bro, this guy is cooking, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Ooh. Okay. Um I might be in some trouble, boys. Yo, I might be in some trouble if I'm not serious. I might actually be in some trouble. I might be in some trouble if the queen goes here. I'm gonna be tossed. Yeah, bro. Oh my god. Hmm. Yo. Let's watch out. Yeah, I might be in some trouble. I need to get my my rook out of here, bro. So okay, now the only threat is there's no threat here because he doesn't have knights. Yeah, there's no threat here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna get my my knight out of the way. I just get my knight out of the way. Damn, was it like a sudden increase or they felt like it was sus? But why is this guy playing like this, bro? Why is this guy just playing like this? Ugh. Bro, what the hell is this guy playing like this, bro? Ah, ah, shit. Who's this dude, bro? Why is it so annoying? Shit. I should have removed my rook since, dog. My queen was protecting this square. What was I thinking, bro? Alright, man. It's okay, bro. I guess this just life, man. Things happen. Feel me? Things happen, bro. Like, now what the hell? Now what have I done now? This guy is just some piece of. It's okay, man. Now look at what I've done. Look at what I've done, bro. Shit. Wait. It depends if you suddenly got so much accuracy and increased rating quickly. Let's start investigating. For real. What's the stream? What's stream delay? Wait, what's stream delay? I don't know. What are you talking about, bro? Someone getting banned after playing so many games that. Wait, how did you play 8,500 games? That is so sus. That's a lot of games, bro. Nah, that's a lot of games, bro. Hold on, what did he play, bro? Like, shit. This guy's just annoying me now, bro. Okay, what am I gonna get from this? Yeah, I'm gonna gain some tempo here. If it takes, I'm just gonna take back. I'm not happy with this, bro. So I'm gonna try to just kick this and try to be aggressive, bro. Okay, I'm not gonna lose in the night. What are you talking about, Brusky? All right. Okay. I'm just gonna take here. Maybe push here also. But I think I have, bro. I'm just getting annoyed for no reason. I feel like I have a good game, dog. I'm gonna push here though. If it takes here, I'm just gonna take back. Let me see. See what it's gonna take with. All right. This this is not bad. If it takes here, okay, this is annoying. This is actually annoying. Yeah, this was annoying. Immortal. This is actually annoying, bro. Where should I put the goddamn queen now? All right, I don't know where to put the queen now, but see, let me just go here, bro. Yeah, for sure. So let me not risk the queen getting trapped. All right, I don't know what the hell is doing, but I'm just gonna push this pawn. Yeah, I'm gonna push this pawn regardless. I'm just gonna push this pawn regardless. All right, doubling up the rooks here. Is it really gonna help? Should I remove this? The first turn take I'm gonna take is gonna take back. I think my rook should be well defended. So let me see what he's gonna play next. He might push here, I just take. Okay. Whatever, bro. Let me just go here. If it takes, I take back. It's fine. All right. You know what? I feel like pushing here was just a better idea. You could have moved your knight to d7, protecting that square. I don't know. I'm just gonna push here. You know, I'm gonna push regardless of what they play next. Okay, the queen going there. Is it really helping anything? I'm just gonna push here. If it takes, let me first get the knight here. Oh, that will block the escape route for the queen. I mean, for the king. So let me just go here. Let me just go there. Yeah, I'm gonna take the bishop in the. Matter of fact, I'm just gonna push here. Trying to gain tempo here so that he can. I see what he's trying to do though. He wants to like kick me away so he can take this, but I'm not gonna go away from there. I'm just gonna stop hit. I'm gonna stop this and just take here. Take the bishop. If he takes, I take a win back the pawn. He'll drop the rook. But is he not gonna lose the rook? All right, now I'm forced. I'm forced to lose this. I'm forced to lose my knight. Yeah, Yeah, I think I'm just forced to lose the knight now. Shit. This guy is playing like he's about to win the goddamn Grandmasters. What like holy shit, bro. This is so annoying. But at least I have my knight here that's like doing a lot of stuff. So I'm not worried. I'm not worried anymore. Okay. What the hell is he trying to do? Well, I don't understand what the hell he's trying to achieve. But I should be having a good. Oh my god, I don't even have time, bro. Why do I keep losing games like this? I had a fork. Bishop is covering. You can't do it. What's this? Yo, what's this? Don't I have a good game here? Okay, I should. Oh my god, bro. Yeah, I don't know. I just don't know what to do now. Yeah, I'm cooked. I'm cooked. I'm cooked. I'm just gonna have to accept my loss, boys. Gonna have to accept my loss. Let me just take, man. I just don't know what to play again. All right. I don't know what to play again. Um, I just don't know what to play, bro. Yo, I played poorly, man. Let me just resign. Like, this was just a very awful game. Yo, boys. Hey, listen. Let me redeem myself. Let me redeem myself and focus more on like just playing very fast. Let me just redeem myself. You know the thing that I don't like about 15 minutes games? That they add so much time to the point where the game becomes monotonous. Like, that's the problem. I'm a coach. You're a coach. Are you a coach for real? Now that's nice. That's actually nice. What opening do you play? I really play. I play the London. I play the London for white. Sometimes Italian game. It depends on what's on the table, really. Levy better coach. Levy. Wait, why can't Levy become a grandmaster? Like, what's the science behind it? Well, this. Hold on. This is Jobava London. It's not London system. This is Jobava London. What's like London system, right? This is Jobava London, isn't it? Levy, if he takes drugs, he can be a grandmaster. Bro, what did this guy play? All right, I don't know waste time. I just want to. Next, the next thing I'm just gonna go and squeeze this. Okay. He's gonna run away. I'm just gonna go here. And next thing, whatever he plays, I'm just gonna go here. But if he doesn't create any escape route for this bishop, I'm just gonna take. All right, he didn't try to take anything, so I'm just gonna try to take the bishop. If he takes this pawn, I take the bishop. All right. Wait, was that he took this pawn? I mean, he took that. That's mad annoying, but actually, I wanted to go here regardless. So nice for helping me do that. I actually wanted to go there. So he's in trouble. He's literally in trouble. Uh, yeah, he's in trouble. He's in trouble. Like I doubt if he'll ever castle now. Oh my god, excuse me, boys. Oh my god. All right, so I don't want to lose the queen. I mean, I don't want to lose my queen. So why can't I just push here? Just chase this knight away. This knight, okay, this knight might go here though. Yeah, that's annoying. And then I'll go here. Oh, I should have just gone here and put pressure here as well. I don't know. Yeah, Okay. Now that the knight is out of the way, what else should I play? I think I have the knight here. And what else? Knight has nowhere else to go. I should have developed the bishop. Okay, I'm not gonna take that and expose my king. I think I could take. Hold on. Here's what. Okay, now I don't have anywhere to go with the knight. Oh my god, that was a bad choice. Okay, nice. If oh my god, I've just okay, not bad, not bad, not bad. I thought I had blundered my okay, not bad. That's not actually bad. Because now he cannot like make me expose my king anymore. So I'm good. Okay, he's targeting that. Oh Lord. Man, I'm having a hard time playing this game, dog. Really, really having a hard time. Now, if I push here, I'm in like so much trouble, bro. uh, yeah. Okay, he castled, which is even better for me because I'm just gonna move my bishop here and just try to prevent. I mean, okay, what the hell is going on, bro? What is bro seeing that I'm not seeing? What is this, bro? What if I just move this? Holy shit, bro. Oh my god, discover check on my. Yeah, I'm not gonna go for that, dog. if oh my god. The good thing my queen is here applying pressure, so I'm not worried. Okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. We're going to have some problems now. I can see the problems already. I can already see the problems. But let me just go here. So the next thing is gonna play maybe here and just take if it takes the queen I'll take back. Okay, if he plays here, it's not gonna do anything, right? But it's gonna try to take this pawn. And if I take him, it just takes my rook, right? Yeah, that's crazy. Sure. Let me just go here, bro. Let me just go here. Yeah. If it takes this, I'm just gonna take his this with check, right? That's good. All right. Why did he play that? Oh, discover check on my queen. That's crazy. That's actually crazy. Oh, that's actually crazy. All right. If I move my queen, I'm gonna lose my. So let me just go there. Let me just go there. Ooh, check here is gonna be tough. Check here. I'll just go here with the knight. Nice. Oh my god, this is just annoying. Hey, push the pawn. Where is this pawn supposed to go to? I don't know. How about if I get this out of the way and just get it in the game? How about that? Yeah, how about that for a sec? And then I try to go here and threaten. Wait, 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 wait. If only I could get my. All right, here's what I'm going to play next. I'm going to go here and just try to get my king. Manually castle the king. Yeah, my king is very exposed. That's true. That is actually very true. And his pieces are like just close to me here. So I'm not comfortable with this. Okay. Actually, is this gonna help him? I don't think so, bro. I don't think so. Check I take, right? So let me just go here. I don't think so. What's the point of that check? What was the point of that check? Holy shit, I'm gonna okay. Okay, this is starting to annoy me. It's actually starting to annoy me, boy. Okay, this actually started to annoy me. Is he having anything significant here? What else again can he do? Check here, I can take back, right? Check, this is protected. This is protected. This is protected. So I don't know what else is gonna play. Yeah, bro. Try getting your queen in front of your rook to threaten mate. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do in the next step. That's honestly what I'm gonna do. The good thing is he doesn't have any other thing now. Or maybe just here I could have taken. All right, nice. Let me try to threaten. Okay. You know what? He's very, very aware of this move. So it's only right if I wanted to put this here, but then I was going to lose this. So yeah. Let me first threaten this first. Let me see if he's gonna fall for it. All right. I'm gonna lose the rook. I'm gonna lose the rook. How annoying can these guys get, bro? Like, how annoying can these guys get? They're just better than me, right? Oh my god. Alright, let me just try to threaten this, bro. Like, that's my last chance at trying something. That's my last chance at trying something. So I go here. All sorts of discovered check. Like, oh my god, I'm gonna lose everything. I should just resign, bro. I should take with the bishop. What was that? Take with which bishop, bro? Where? Take with bishop? What was I supposed to take with bishop? Which bishop? I just have nothing. I have nothing, bro. Oh god, I've lost this game. It's okay. It's really fine, bro. It's fine. It happens. Oh, 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 oh. Is everything okay? Is everything okay? Holy shit, wait, is he having any checkmate? Okay, he doesn't have any checkmate, bro. I think he doesn't have any checkmate, does he? Okay, he's just gonna take my bishop. Yeah. Ugh. Scam, bro. Like games are just getting annoying. Game after game is just annoying. Game after game. Holy shit. I man, let me just resign, bro. Go back a few moves. Which one? What was I supposed to take with the bishop? Yeah, what was I supposed to take with the bishop? Where? Bro, this I was supposed to take with the queen. Holy shit. Alright, man, this game has annoyed me, boys. I'm just gonna call it a day. I don't want to play any game anymore, bro. I'm not gonna play any game anymore. That's fine. Oh shit. I've lost every single game. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay, Mellow man. Like I'm cooked. I'm cooked. I'm cooked. It's fine, bro. Let me just try to. He said I should look at the pawn at e6. Oh, sorry, bro. I apologize. My brain is not braining now. You understand? My brain is not. It was a free pawn. Hold on. What was a free pawn? Yeah. My bad, bro. I apologize, man. My brain is not okay. So I'm just gonna lock in with like some coding and stuff and just get some work done. Damn. Mm. All right. So we have a problem to finish. I'm a subscribe. Hey, thank you so much, brother. It means the world to me, man. It means a lot for real. Much love, brothers. Feel me? Means a lot. Thanks, man. Consider joining the Discord as well. We have a Discord server that's linked up there. Just come say hi, man. Come say hi to us. All right, let's see. So we got interfaces and everything, and I think I have a good idea what this the interface and Go is just like it's just a list of method signatures. Any type that has all of these methods automatically implements the interface. No implements word. So we're gonna have type describable interface, and then describe will take in describe as a string, and yeah, that's it. So I think this is gonna be func print info, then d describable, then print out d dot describe. It's going to give us everything. So I think that is all that we need. Now let's attempt the exercise because I told this AI as well to give us exercise where necessary. So let's try to get an exercise and see. You're modeling two things on data bucket, bits and sample packs. They are different enough to be separate structs, but both are items that can be listed for sale. Your job is to make them work through a shared interface. So we need to create a sample pack struct with field names like name is a string, num I don't know, num samples or number of samples as integer and price as float. What is this about? So I am learning Golang, right? This is about Golang. If you know Golang is it's this interesting interesting, yeah, language that is developed, I think, by Google or something. And I'm learning it so that I can use it to build a chess engine, right? But now I have this stuff which is like, okay, this is just a way for me to learn. I'm using this almost like roadmap. I'm now in structs, methods, and interfaces. I was supposed to be done with this is yesterday, but yeah, I had some difficulties understanding interfaces, methods, and interfaces. I already know structs, so I'm just trying to solidify the idea, and that's it. So I'm using AI to learn as well, and other documentations as well. So let's see. So what's going on here is that we need to create a sample pack struct with field names this. So let's just go ahead and I'm gonna just delete this. We're not gonna need it for now. I'm just gonna call this maybe bid. I think it's better if I just call this main.go really. I'm gonna call this main.go, and I don't know what's going on. My internet is not really picking up things. All right. Hold on. Is the connection, is the internet connection good? I think the internet connection is fine. So let's go with we first have to build a struct. So everything is fine, FBI. So let's go type and let's build a sample pack as a struct, right? And then we're gonna have a few things, right? Okay, there's no lag. Nice. So we need this. Let me just zoom this in a little bit. Okay, here we need to create name, number of samples as integer, and price as float 64. So we're gonna have is it name or title? Let's just go with name. This is gonna be a string, and the next one is gonna be number of samples as integer, and the last one is going to be price. Let's just have price as float 64, and nice. So we have that in place. So let's see again what else. We need to give sample packs a value receiver method that is going to be called describe. Give sample pack a value receiver method. So remember the value receiver method and the pointer receiver method. So let's go with the value receiver method. string that returns something like 808 essentials, this and that. I don't know, but let's see. So we're gonna create a value receiver method. So that's a method already. So within here, I think I'm just gonna create that method function, and to turn it into a method, we need to create the describe. So it's a value receiver method. So it's going to be something like this. SP, we could use it for the sample pack, but let's call it S, and then we're just gonna use the sample pack. And then this is gonna be called describe, and it's going to return, it's a string, right? It's a string method. So that will return something. We need to return not s.name, but rather we need to return this exact name. So let's go with this 808 all the way to here. To be honest, I don't understand anything. LOL. Why, bro? Why don't you understand? What's the issue? Okay, I'm just gonna go here and keep this as title. So this is percent %d. Let's say title. I mean not percent %d, but percent %s. Wait, hold on. Why should percent %s be? I think percent %s should be somewhere here. Percent %s. Wait. Oh, we are not returning the format. What am I talking about? Oh Lord. So this about coding, right? Yes, it is about coding. Wait, are you not a programmer, bro? You know what I thought? I thought like anyone who's watching us is a programmer. No, for real, because I feel like my channel is based off of programming stuff. So my boy is a chess coach, by the way. Hey, FBI, consider getting to know my boy Melo Salman and all of that. You know, welcome him to the Discord server. If anything, we can pick his chess brain. You feel me? He's a good asset to us. That's crazy. That's crazy. Okay, now we need to give sample pack a pointer receiver. So we've already created the value receiver. Now we need to create a pointer receiver as well that will be called apply discount that will take percentage. What is this? What is PCT? Should it stand for price discount? I don't know. I know what the PCT stands for. That reduces price by the given percentage. Okay, I think this is percentage discount, right? Oh, this is actually the percentage. This is percentage. Yeah. For real, you don't have to be interested in programming, but it's like an added advantage because then you won't feel left out, you know? So let's see. We have given a sample pack pointer, given a sample pack, give the sample pack a pointer receiver method called apply discount. So let's go ahead and build that. We're gonna build function called sample pack. We're gonna start with S and also take in the sample pack. And this time we're going to call this apply discount. And remember, this is gonna be a pointer receiver. So let's get this as a pointer receiver. And Go doesn't accept us to make one as none, whatever. So if they're both, if these functions are in the same file, I don't know if that's the concept of the same file, but I know for a fact that you cannot have two similar, like for example, this is a pointer receiver and this is a non-pointer receiver. It will error out. It's not an error but a warning, but yeah, it is what it is. So this is going to take in percentage cut. So we're going to have percentage and this is going to be type float, and the return type will be float 64, and that reduces price by the given percentage. Nice. So now what is here? The return type is a float. So I think we're just going to return 0 for now, and it's going to satisfy our condition. Now, another thing is, since we're using test-driven development, it is good to start with the test. But at the moment, we're just trying to like understand this. So I'm not really going to do tests for now. I'm just going to stick with this. So let's go ahead and do this. Define a listable interface with one method described as a string. Nice. So this is going to be a listable interface with one method. So we need to now create function. This time is a listable. Hold on, let me first think. Let me first think. We need to define a listable. Okay, this might be an interface, right? Okay, listable interface. That means we need to create it as an interface. So we're going to have it up all the way up here. I'm just gonna add it up here. So this is gonna be called type, and it will be describe, and this is going to be an interface. Okay, and it's called what? What's the name? Describe is gonna. Okay, this is gonna be describable, right? Describable. That's the interface name, and it's going to return take in describe and return a string. So, ooh, this is an interface with the implementation. Nice. Nice. I actually like this, but why do we have describe here? Oh, this is the same describe. Why am I getting lost now? Wait. I know my device with my X account. Your X account? What do you mean by that? You mean your X account or your ex's account? Honestly, this is supposed to be percentage. Nice. Now, what are we supposed to do next? Write a function, print storefronts that takes in items listable as the type. So, items, and then this is a. I remember this was a what? This was an array. No, this is not an array. This is a slice. A slice called listable items that loops through the slice and prints each item's description and lists each item's description. I don't know. So let's see. We need a print storefront. Yeah, it's a little bit hard, bro. Let's see. Funk. This is going to be print storefronts. Print storefronts. My spelling is so bad. I somehow wrote X instead of D. Okay. My DC account. What is DC? What is DC? Storefronts. Nice. We're gonna have items, and then this is gonna be a slice called what's that? Listable. Okay. Listable. All right. This is now erroring out. I don't know why. We need to create the listable. So in the main, create one bit and one sample pack, put them in a listable and call storefront. Oh God. How are we doing the listable thing though? Oh God. I can't see no listable here. I mean, so oh my God. Create one bit and one sample pack, put them in a listable. Wait. Write a function, print storefronts that loops through the slice and prints each item's description. Holy shit. Ah, Discord account. Okay. No worries, no worries. Oh Lord, bro. Like my brain is cooked. I feel like I'm having a hard time here. We could show the hint, but let's try to solve it. What's the problem? Write a function, print storefront, items listable slice that loops through the slice and prints each item's description. Hmm. Wait, was that a function? Write a function that loops through the slice and prints each item's description? I don't know. So I think it's gonna be something like for um okay, let's just say int, not int, but for item or I For item, yeah, let's just say for item in range items. Okay, for item in items in range of item, then we need to do something with this. Why is this? Oh my God, what's going on with this? This is undefined, right? Listable. Oh, please each item's description. So we need to uh okay, define a listable interface with one method. This write a function printer that looks through the slides and prints each item's description. Ah, and prints each item's description. So do we have to use S here? Okay, describable. Okay, let's say describable dot describe. I don't know. I'm just gonna leave it at this, and I'm gonna say, um, this is the most my brain could take me together. And all right, let's see. Good effort for the for a first attempt. You've got the struct right. The interface concept is there, and you remember the pointer receiver for apply. That's solid foundation. Walk you through each mistake, so you understand why and not just what to fix. So instead, you define describable, but the exercise asks for listable. Oh, this was listable. Small naming thing, but it matters because your reference is listable. Which, hold on, what? Wait. Let me go back here. Did it say this listable anywhere? Let's have a look. String this, given this value. Okay, this is describe for the pointer receiver. Okay, given define a listable interface with one method. Describe. Okay, it was supposed to be called listable. That English is annoying. So this was supposed to be listable instead of describable. Listable interface. All right, something like this. Nice. Well, let's go back and see. Which you never defined. That's a compile. Which you never defined. That's a compile error. Pick one name and use it everywhere. Let's go with listable as the exercise as nice. So it shouldn't return anything. Okay. This should not return anything at all. Hmm. The correct this is correct. Modifies the structure in place. No return needed. Okay. Applies percentage. So we could say s dot price is equals to s dot price times 1 minus the percentage out of 100. Okay. So the whole point of a pointer receiver is that you mutate the struct directly. You don't return the new value. The caller's variable is already updated after calling. So yeah. Hmm. Yo, you low-key gotta go? No problem, no problem. I low-key gotta go. What is the high key? Okay, no problem, brother. No problem. Have a good one. You'll always find us on stream. Now, thank you for being there for us. You feel me? We shall catch up tomorrow. Tomorrow. Like tomorrow's stream will be interesting. So yeah. That's the thing, my boy. Peace out. Let me get some work done, then yeah, I'll definitely go off too. So this is fine. So we want to apply the discount. So I'm gonna say s dot price is okay. Hold on. So this percentage discount is gonna be s dot price. Oh, time is equals to not really, is it? Okay, we're gonna have 1 minus percentage out of 100. That's it. So we're gonna leave it like this, but I'll put this in bracket. We're gonna have 1 minus percentage out of 100. What's going on here? It's redundant. Oh, that was redundant. This is to return. Jesus. What's this? Add return statement. Mm, holy shit. Mm. Wait, what the hell is going on? Let's just say return s dot price now. Okay, this is okay. Oh, maybe we could just say price. Price and instantiate this, and then we can have return price. Oh, what's going on here? Yeah, that's annoying. So let's just return the price direct. Nice. That loop body is completely off. Listen, we just call the method on it. So we're going to have fmt print item.describe. Oh, you call it directly, no casting nor opening. Hmm. Hmm. My name, the number of samples, and the price. Nice. So we actually learning. This is already what's going on here. The loop body syntaxes. So correct item already is a listable. Just call the method on it. Hmm. Uh. All right, bro. All right. No worries. See you, man. Oh. Let's say return. Return fmt dot this format. S D samples and then 2.0. Okay. Was that D? And this will be samples. This is 2.2 floating point percent 0.2 f s dot name price and all of that. Okay, so everything here is already a listable, so we don't have to do anything. Um, so instead of this, We're going to have listable. Hold on. Item dot describe. FMT print item dot describe. Okay. So I think this is it. And then in the main function, in the main function now we can have beat the title. Okay, then pack as sample pack. Okay. Discount is 20 and then listable, beat pack and oh my god. And then price, print storefront, then we pass in items. Okay, let's grab this function main. For the main, we are going to have beat. Beat is going to start with the beat, right? So we have beat. Do we have beat here? Oh my god. Let's go back here and see. Do we have beat there? I don't see any beat there though. Okay, we need beat title, BPM, and producer. Nice. Type beat. This is a structure. We're gonna have title as a string, not a JSON string. BPM plot 64. Producer string. Nice. So we have that listable, describe. Nice. So we have beat, beat, beat. The title, we're gonna have midnight, drive. Midnight, and then 140. The BPM and the price is a float. Let's say I'm a producer. That's our filter. Okay. Let's just have Emma. Okay. After that, what else? We need the pack, sample pack, name 8080 essentials. Number of samples is 24. Price is 29.99. Then pack that apply discount, we pass in 20 items to the listable. Okay. So this is gonna be pack, sample pack name, everything. Let's say dark samples. Nice. Living creatures, bro. Come on. Okay, we need to say apply discount and we pass in 20. Right? That's its discount. Apply discount. So pack dot apply discount instead of 2% 20, that's our percentage discount. And what's going on? That is that. Well, the name is different. The price is 29.99. Let's say 12 samples. Okay, nice. And then after here, after applying the discount, what else do we need to do? Items, a list. We have listable. This is actually going to be a slice. Nice. Beat and the pork, and then we print out that. So nice. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Oh God. So we're gonna have items, which is going to be a slice of listable. Okay, this is gonna take in beat and listable. What's going on here? Oh, what's going on here, bro? What's going on? Print and then we'll pass in there. What's going on here? Implement missing methods. Oh, we need this describe function describe string. Oh, this is to implement that. Yeah, this is just, I don't know, bro. Let's just try to run the main.go. Yeah. That's a lot. That's a lot of issues. This is why test-driven development was better. We have some issues, bro. Oh my God. Is this gonna end like yesterday as well, where we don't really like finish anything and then we get tired? I'm still in our interfaces. I just wanted to understand it better. We are still on structs and interfaces, but I think this is the last one for today on this. And actually, we are good to go now, for real. I'm just gonna push this code to Git. Although I haven't understood anything, at least I've picked something. Is that even making sense? So, bro, it's been almost 2 hours. That's crazy. So, you guys already know the drill, man. Even if we haven't like finished this problem, I know that we've at least done something. Holy shit. Mm-mm. I think when I go to the coffee store, that's when I will pick this up. Right now, just gonna say git add, git commit, worked on methods, and today we worked on interfaces. Interfaces. This is why, like, bro, my idea of like Java is really very helpful, bro, because Java, what's going on here? Bro, what the hell? Git add everything. Git commit, git push. Bro, Lord. Now, what is this? Git add everything. What's going on? Bro, how do I solve this? I'm already done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done with the coding, bro. Oh my god. How do I solve this? Mm. Oh my god. Let's just have this. I don't know why that happened, but yeah. Alright, whatever, bro. I think my brain is done. It happens, it happens. Especially when we don't understand the language. Oh my god. Yeah, we have something for today at least. Oh my god. So, boys, when I get to the coffee store, I'll continue from there. But let's just end these games, this day by at least having a win. Like seeing reds in my comment stuff is annoying me. So let's go with our beloved 10 minutes game or 15 minutes game, and then just think through. I think that's it, man. When I go to the coffee store, I'll continue with the coding. Right now, oh Lord, no. Okay, so let me go here. I think D4 opening should be my favorite opening. I was supposed to go with like also Italian as well. Alright, let me just go here. Alright. Yeah, this guy, okay. He knows what he's doing, anyways. So I'm just gonna develop this and just castle. Alright, let's just come back here. It's fine. Bro, I'm listening to some DJ here, but person is just going crazy. Yeah. This DJ is just inspiring me. Dude wants a discover check on my. Okay. Will it be really a discover check? I don't know. I'm not gonna trade. Oh, he's gonna fork. Yeah, I have to take. If I go here, I can take this, right? Hold on. If I go here, what's gonna happen? Nah, let me just take, bruh. I don't wanna. I don't wanna risk getting forked here, and then I have to lose my rook because I'm selfish. No way. I think applying pressure here will make more sense. This is hanging. It's honestly hanging. I should have gone here. Yeah, that was terrible. All right. I think he started to have problems, right? I think he's already starting to have problems. Oh, yeah, this should be a nice one. How do I play like this? Like, I just don't understand like why I play like this. I don't get it. Why do I play like this? It's almost like I can't think. I can't think. I just see something. I just take. Like, you know what? I should stop playing chess like that. Honestly, I should stop playing chess like this. Oh my god, bro, this stuff makes me feel bad. You guys don't even know how bad it makes me feel. Honestly, like sometimes I just get annoyed. Yeah, boy, you coming on stream afterwards? I don't know. He's still learning. Yeah, I'm still learning. I'm still learning. But I'm learning Go, not learning to code. You know, it's two different things. I can code, but not in Go. I think they are similar stuff, though, right? Yo, something about this spawn is annoying me. But let's see if it goes here. I'll just go here, right? I mean, if it goes here, then I have to go somewhere else. Yeah, I'm not trying to get my queen trapped in here. Let me first threaten this rook first. For the engine, it will take close to like 6 months or 4 or 5 months. Given I don't know the language, yeah, it's gonna take a lot. So I like the way that I like this actually. I actually like this. So now I can put my rook here. Oh no. Oh no, this is gonna be a bad idea. Not a bad idea because I have this. Yeah, nice. How many days would it take for the engine? Months? Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'll probably finish the engine like 3 months from now. Yeah, for sure. Let me go here. I'll go here to see. What does he have? You can take this. Let me first see. Let me first see. Let me first go here and see what he's gonna do. I think he has trapped his rook. I'm not gonna lie. I have a feeling he has trapped his rook. Alright, he wants to sacrifice his rook on his own terms. Should I trade the rook? Wait, I have another game here. Let me first try to suck. Okay. I know he didn't sacrifice his rook, but I want to first let me first play here first. Alright, nice. I think this plan is going to work. Let me first spin this. I think this plan will work. I think this plan will work. Boy said I blooded the whole game. Alright, let's see. Let's see if I blooded the whole game. Let us see. Let me first see if I blooded the whole game. Watch this. No, I have a nice plan. Just watch. Just watch. Alright. I think I have a nice plan. Trust me. I have a nice plan. I didn't blood it again. I didn't blood it again. I have a nice plan. You said what was free? Night fork. What do you mean? If I go here, night here, and I'm cooked. So let me just go here. Let me just go here. Yeah, this night fork won't work. Yeah, this night fork won't work. What the hell? What the hell, bro? No way, no way, no way. I think I'm cooked for real. I think I'm cooked. I think I'm cooked. That is the truth. I think I am cooked. Yeah, I think my brain, boys, here's the thing. I gotta admit, bro, my brain is. Oh, Lord. So, what's this guy playing to? What the hell is this? Okay. Actually, uh, What did I even play? Holy shit. Is everything okay with me today? Yeah, I don't know. I don't think everything is okay with me. I think I'm toast. Ah, Lord. You're too fast. Oh, Lord. God, 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 God. It's okay, man. What is going on with us? What is this? What the hell is this? God. Alright, alright. Alright, boys, here's the thing. I'm gonna struggle. You get it? I wanted to end the stream, but I'm not gonna end the stream without a win. Like honestly, I'm not gonna go down without a fight. You guys know we gotta keep the spirit alive, man. We're going with some Karakan thing. Bro, like, oh my god. I think it's gonna go advanced. Nice. So advanced variation. I'm just gonna go here next. Oh my god, I'm cooked. Alright, boys, I'm so annoyed. I'm so annoyed, boys. Alright, okay. Let's just go here. Alright, it takes. I don't really care, bro. I think mine was lagging. Yeah, mine dropped by small frames. Okay. Mm, let's get some pressure on the queen. Or if the queen goes away from there, is the queen is cooked. I mean, not the queen, but this knight. Alright, let's go here. And we just push this one. There is like a fork that I'm seeing. I can't see it, but I can tell there's a fork. Alright. I think I'm gonna go here and then pin it and win it. Or maybe just go here. I don't know. Alright, should I take? Should I not? Should I take? Should I not? Oh my god. Should I take this pawn? Or just play here? I don't know, bro. Maybe push. This guy is no longer pinned, and I don't know why I just pushed. What am I even thinking? What am I thinking? Yo, FBI. I think I'm cooked. I think I'm cooked. Okay. I kind of like what he did, going all the way there. Just gonna take care with check. I don't have time for him to take and all of that. Oh, should I take this pawn? Should I not? Okay, I have a feeling we can try. Hold on. Let me just take the queens off the board, man. I think I just need to get the queens off. Let me just get the queens off, bro. Okay, if I go here, there is check. I can take back, right? What do you think about the queen trade? Should I offer a queen trade? Check, or maybe chess this away. Okay, no queen trade for me. Let me just try to chess the knight away. Okay, that was his goal to like win that pawn. And if I don't take this, I'm gonna lose. Up a pawn. Crazy. Well, this is not a bad idea for me. I mean, I'm gonna get my king off or something. Well, I think it's time to apply pressure on the pin piece. Any movie plays, I'm gonna. Okay. Yeah, this is starting to annoy me. This is starting to annoy me. Let me just get my queen out of here, man. Yeah, I have a free pawn. I also have a free pawn here. The hell is this guy playing? Should I grab this pawn? I just play here, right? Then I'll take any we just take. Now I'll even lose 3 points. Oh my god. How annoying can this guy get? Should I push this pawn? Pushing this pawn sounds like a bad idea, but hey, someone gotta do it, right? Alright, let me just go there, bro. Just go for it. Alright. So Now that that is fine, I'm gonna take this pawn. Okay, if he takes, I just take back, right? Take here and just takes, and I'm. Should I move my knight out of the way? Let me just move my knight out of the way. If I take here, he can take here, right? Oh, he can take with check. Let me just take here, bro. Oh my god. Wait a minute. Oh, I have my queen protecting this. So I should be good. Yeah, I should be good, bro. Wait. Wait, am I missing something here? I should have. Why should I have placed my rook? Should have placed my rook here. Oh Lord, that was bad. That was bad, man. That was really bad. Okay, let us first take this with check. Alright, then I just take this. Ooh, I'm ahead in material, bro. How? How? What happened? Ooh, what happened? Hold on, bro. Let's go. What happened? What happened? Yo, I think this night move was tough. Hold on. Wait. Your rook deflected his rook. Oh, yo. This was the move he took, and then I first thing we check. Yeah, now I see. I see why we are ahead in material. Nice. Oh, we are threatening things here. We are threatening things here, bruh. So here's what I'm gonna do. Nice. Oh no, this guy is toss. This guy is toss. Trust me. This guy is toss. Alright, I'm gonna threaten checkmate. Let's see what he's gonna do. Alright, honestly, I'm gonna trade the rooks. I'm still gonna win. Alright. I'm winning this game. To a superhero, yeah. I'm winning this game, confirm. I'm on a double again. Let's trade. Let's trade, brother. I'm coming for this. Let me go with this. Obviously, this is not gonna go anywhere. Nice. Let me get my king this side. Let me get my king this side. Ah, bro, you're not going anywhere, brother. I promise. I promise. You're not going anywhere. Promise. You're not going anywhere, broski. It's over. It's over. Nice. I don't care about that for real. This pawn is here. This pawn is here. Nice. Let's go. This guy has to resign. I gotta represent money multiple. I gotta show the top unapproachable. You wanna draw this game? Are you dumb, bro? I'm not gonna take this. I know for Gazy. Hold on. I think this is shouldn't this be a nice move? Hold on. Before I don't want to stalemate this game, right? So let me give him room for him to play. Yeah, I don't want to stalemate this game, bro. I'm afraid that I might stalemate this game. So let me just take that. Yeah, yeah, I don't want to stalemate this game, bro. Like after all this struggle, I'm not gonna stalemate this game. He has anything to move. He's gonna try to draw the game, but no. It's not a draw, broski. Please. Yeah, it's all. Oh! I'm about to cry. What? What? Oh my god. What was I thinking after I played this nice game? Was it a mouse click? This is what I did it. Oh my. This was made, bruh. This was just made in one, like, oh my god. This is my worst loss in, like, I consider this a loss. I know it's a draw, but it's a loss on my side. Alright. You know what? I'm not gonna be emotional, bro. Yeah, man, I don't know. I really, something is wrong with me. Something gotta be wrong with me. Honestly, something gotta be wrong with me, bro. Mm-mm. I don't believe I'm okay, bro. Like I really don't believe I'm fine. I don't believe that. I just don't believe that, bro. What? I don't believe that. All right. You know, when people just play this, I know like, all right, let's just come back. He's gonna come back here and just annoy me, like be extra annoying. He might just be extra annoying with his knight. I'm just gonna kick it, I guess. He can't do anything. Okay, fine. Yeah, boys, I'm toast. Like, I don't know, these days I just don't play well. Let me first get him some ugly pawns, bro. Like, let me just get him some ugly pawns. I get him some ugly pawn structure. I don't care, bro. Alright. So I can just, I want to castle this side now. Mm-mm. I think I should castle king's side. Let me just trade this. Alright, I don't care, bro. If I gotta. Yo, are we getting okay? I for a sec I thought we were getting the same. Yeah, yeah, that's not it. That's not it. I need to come here first with the knight. Nah, not here. I was supposed to go right here with the knight and fuck him. So I think what's bro playing? What's bro playing? This is actually, if it takes here, he loses his queen, right? Is he not gonna lose his queen? Okay, this is trapped anyways. This is trapped anyways. So this is trapped anyways. So yeah, let me just take here at least get something for it. If it takes this, I just move this away. It's fine. Oh, I think he doesn't want to take that. Okay, I thought he didn't want to take it for a sec. Uh, uh, let's just try to attack here too. Okay, castling there was a bad idea because I have this now. Yeah, that was a bad idea. Terrible one. Not really too terrible, but yeah, that was a bad idea. Okay, not too bad of an idea. I think I can still go there. You know what I would hate is if he just discovered check here. That will annoy me. Discovered check will be so annoying. The discovered check will be so annoying. I don't think you'll find it. Alright, that was smart. That was a smart move. How about if I counter attack him? He's just gonna take for free, right? That's just gonna be a free pawn. If I don't remove my queen will be tossed. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's crazy. It's fine. I think I should take with this pawn so that I can just stop this pawn from marching here, right? Take here. What should I take with? Let me just take here. All right. Holy shit, man. I'm losing. I'm losing. I'm losing. I'm losing. I'm losing. I'm losing. What? Yo, boys, I think this is gonna be my last game today. Yeah, I think it's gonna be my last game. I can't. I can't. I can't. Oh Lord. I can't. Alright. Oh Lord, bro. Um, oh, here's what I'm gonna do. Here's what I'm gonna do. If it take, I think he's not gonna push his pawns, right? Yeah. So let's see. I really have a nice idea. I'm not gonna lie. Nice. Let's see. I want to do a rook lift. Yeah, yeah, I'm gonna have to push this pawn. Gonna have to push this pawn. Oh, this is actually what he wanted. Okay. Foul, I'm truck, log on track. Hold on up, what the fuck? Red shuffling the slash. Red how to change that's us. Track. Splash. Fourth. Crashing the first. Okay, I'm with the bag. Obviously, shit. These US bitches kind of bad. Yeah, yeah, I won't quit until we ever win, bro. I don't know why this guy is playing so good like this, but it's okay. All right, what the hell is happening here? Oh, he's gonna lose his queen, I'm sure. So this is unprotected. Nice. He's gonna lose his queen for sure. Yeah, he just blundered. Yeah, this guy's just blundering everything. Dude is just blundering every single thing under the sun. So should I allow him to take that? No. I say gang. Let's see. Ah man. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We're playing. We're winning a pawn, boys. All right. We're winning a pawn. We're winning a pawn, boys. Yeah, we're winning a pawn. Nice game. We're winning a pawn. Winning a pawn. This guy is gonna be toss. All right. I think now that we are ahead in material, why can't we trade? If I go, ooh, ooh, the queen will be dropped. No, no. If I go here, he will just take this, right? Oh my god. How should I go about this? He wants to go here, check, discover check. Check. I go up. What next now? I how about if I go there? Let me see what he has. I think I have a nice. Oh, you'll come down with the rook and I'm cooked, right? Oh my god, I'm mated. I think this is it, boys. I think this is it. Like I'm gonna have to end the stream with like losses after losses after losses after losses. Alright, boys. I don't know. Are we back to 700? One game to be back to 700. Okay, bro, it's okay. Let's just play the last game. If No, 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 no. If here's the thing though. Here's the thing. If we get to 700, let it be this game, and I know like yeah, yeah. Today I was really cooked. That is fine. That is fine. Can we try to change the game maybe? Nah, no. All right, it's okay. Oh my God, it's okay, boys. It's okay. It's okay. All right, he doesn't want me to go there, so I won't go there. I won't go there. That's my tweet, bro. We got cooked today, bro. It happens. It happens. Mm, I don't want him to go there. So how can I prevent him from going there? Here, if I kick this, what's gonna happen? Okay, how about I go here first, develop this, and then just attack this? Oh, I mean I think he trapped his own bishop, right? I mean rook. Is this a bishop? Is this a rook? Is this a knight? What am I saying? All right, not bad. Let me just get to. What should I check with? No, let me push. With text here, I just remove this one. Yeah, I'm not gonna castle, boys. That's it. Good, good, very good. I'm gonna trade queens in the next thing. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That was a nice move from me. Very good. This- Okay, nothing is hanging here, right? Yeah. Should I go here to stop him from castling? Goes here, he takes the rook, and I'm tossed. How about I just castle here? Just castle. All right, nice. I can just attack here. I think I'm gonna have to trade, bro. If I lose this game, yeah, I'm gonna be tough. Taking off. Add actual cross. Order uses of mechanized shot. No change charge. Okay, this is gonna come with check. Let me just get out of this. Ah, take, man. I'm taking anything. I'm trading every single piece. Okay, my rook is kind of trapped, but not really trapped like that. Should I trade? Let me try to offer a queen trade. Let me see if he'll take it. Alright, he might just take this and not care about the queen trade. But I'm taking another pawn, isn't it? Am I not? I think I'm taking this pawn. Yeah. What else? What else can you take? Nothing. Okay, he took this for free. Alright. Ah, I don't know, bro. I don't know how this game is going. Okay, let me first try to threaten something here. Alright, I think this is... Okay, see. How about I get out of here? Because if he checks, I can just get out, right? So let me first take here. Yeah, if he just checks, I can get out. Nice. He has to react to that. I can just move up. If he takes, he's cooked. You know the reason why I didn't want to take with the queen? Because I was going to be tossed. Yeah. I think this guy is done. I think it's toss. Hello, bro. I'm coming to shower. Okay. I think this guy is toss. Is he not? I'm up a pawn, which is nice. All right, so let's see how this is going to go. All right, let me go here first, check. How about if I go here first, check, and then no. Okay, I still have chance to check him. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna first get rid of this because this is so annoying. And if it takes this, I take this. Oh, I have a nice plan. Oh boy, hold on. Hold on. I have a very good plan. I think here you go. Check. Nice. Very nice plan. Very nice plan. Now I can take this in peace, right? Yeah, I can take this now in peace without any problems. Very good. Very good. Oh my god, that was a god move. Tough. Tough. All right. I take that. Hold on. I take that for free. Ooh, he done messed up. This is still winning, right? Let me see. Get just remove this out of the way. Yeah, nice. Nice. He can do nothing with the queen only. He can't. He can't. Yeah, so boy is losing. Yeah, he can't do none with the queen only, bro. It's over, bro. No more checks. Yeah, no more checks, boy. Toss. Good. Good. Yo, I don't know how I escaped from here, but that was a tough game. Like, I don't know how I escaped from. Hold on. How? Where can I get it back to where I had trouble? Okay, did he play? He moved away from there. So I think this should be. This should end the game, right? Yeah, this should end the game. Check. He has to go up. Yeah, this should end the game. This should do it. Wait, is this not mate? Because he can't go here, can't come. I think this is mate. Wasn't that supposed to be mate? Okay, this should be mate now. Okay, I think this is the mate then. Which one is mate here? I'm getting confused, right? Okay, here is mate, I guess. Because, well, this is not. This is the mate. This one. Which one is the mate, bruh? I better not stalemate this shit. But I think this should be made. This should be made. Yeah, this should be. No, he's gonna go here. If I go here, just gonna go here. And it's just mad annoying. Rook up should be made? Okay. Oh my lord. Yo, to show you that my brain is toast, I couldn't even respond, mate. Like that's how bad it is. At least we have our win. So we can call it a day, bro. Like oh my lord. Yo, we got about 2 minutes. We got about 2 minutes to make it to like 3 hours. So we might as well just play the last game. Make it 3 hours. It's fine. It's fine. We got about 2 minutes to make it 3 hours. Let's just play the last game. If we lose, it's fine. At least we had our win. But that was a tough one. That was a tough one. Okay. Could I play any gambit here? Maybe Danish gambit? Danish gambit is with white pieces? I don't know, bro. But let me go to my good old Piak defense or Puck defense. Oh, my good old Piak defense, boy. He's gonna push, I take, isn't it? Yeah, good. Uh, okay, this prevents. Okay, it doesn't prevent anything, but it's fine. Let's go like this. His pushes, I take. I'm just gonna go here. Nah, I'm just gonna go here. I don't want any problems, bro. I don't want any problems. Uh, wait, wait a minute. What? Wait. What just went down? Ooh. Okay, hold on. The next thing is for him to play here. Alright, I think I'm gonna lose material here, bro. This is why I needed to like I needed to goddamn. Oh man, like how's this guy coming from 700? So I feel like if we were to win these two, if we were to win these two, then we shall be fine. Yeah, what is bro playing? Is this some mage or something? I don't know about. He's definitely gonna try to serve his bishop. Chris, Chris, shut up. Oh, all right. Oh, if I take the knight, then I'm mated. Either way, I'm mated. Ha! Holy, 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 holy! I'm losing the knight. Oh my god! I'm mated either way. Okay, okay, okay. No, 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 no. Not really, not really, not really. There's no mate here. There's no mate here. There's no mate here. All right, I think I'm. This is tricky. Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, 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 no. We're gonna cook. We're gonna cook this guy. I swear to God. I have a feeling we're gonna cook this guy. I have a feeling we're gonna cook this guy. Good. Wait. He's saying if I move my queen, I'm gonna get tossed, right? Hmm. Holy shit, man. Am I gonna lose here? Let's see. Oh my god. Oh no no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Alright. I don't mind I don't mind the queen trade here. I really don't mind. Okay. I don't mind the queen trade there. I don't mind. They see me, they see a hero. When it come from zero. He go be in critical condition when I'm finished with him. Some shit just getting fizzy when you been a nigga. Brother died. I got too much money for my mama walk a job and she proud now. She said to the bitches and a banda and the real niggas when they gonna and I got a blicky for the rara. What is he doing here? I don't know. Bro, should I get a draw, bro? I think let me just try to get a draw, man. Better let up saying in the middle. Inside that makes it so legit and I'm from the ghetto, but I'm bigger now. I can never say which is bigger now. Been the one. But I'm gonna down us, none up and handle my problems. Easy go, easy go. Here's some more. Let me try to push here. Oh my god, is this not a big mistake? Come on, baby. I got too much money for my mama work a job and I should proud now. She said to the bitches when they gonna work a bar now. I'm a real niggas when they gonna Pakistan now. And they got a Ricky for the rara. Yeah, I'm gonna lose. I'm gonna lose, boys. I'm gonna lose. I'm gonna lose. Stop wasting your time, bro, when you're locked in, blah blah blah. What are you talking about, broski? Wait. Check. Okay, I can go here. Uh what? You recall me. We are about to go, boys. Nice. Nice. Oh my god, bro. What the hell is this? Ugh. 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 Bro, see you guys tomorrow, bro. I'm out of here, man.